In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to recover lost access to Roblox Authenticator app. Let's get started. First, when you're on the login screen, try clicking on Use another verification method. Sometimes Roblox gives you an alternative option like email verification or a backup code. If you saved your 9-digit backup code when setting up two-step verification, you can enter it here and regain access to your account. Now, if you don't have a backup code, the next option is to contact Roblox support. For that, click on this option, Need Support. With that, you'll be directed to this kind of page. Now scroll down. Here you're going to find the option of contact support here. Click on this. Now you'll need to fill all these details. Enter your username, full name, likewise email address that is connected with your account. Select the device in which you are having this issue. Now select the help category as account hacked or can't log in. In the subcategory, select lost access to two-step verification method. Now in the description box, type a message explaining that you have lost access to your Authenticator app but still have access to your email or phone number and request them to switch verification to one of those. After submitting the form, complete the verification puzzle to confirm you are not a robot. You may then see a chat window with Roblox AI support. If it does not help, type not helping, talk to someone and press enter. After that, confirm your email address when prompted. If your email is verified and linked to your account, Roblox support will contact you directly through the email. Usually within 3 to 4 days, they will review your request and remove the two-step verification from your account so you can regain access. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.